Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement, and in this video we will be learning one of the very good feature or technique you can say about the Power Query, and that is that how we can extract dates from the text string. So let me just get start. I just going through that one of the very famous blog around the world, which is from the Chandu, and in this blog I found one of the article or a blog post that is related to that can you extract dates from the text. So this article has been written in 2012 and now we are in 2019. It's way back, more than 6 years from that particular date of this article. And at that time definitely a lot of forum members and visitors contributed their answer in the Excel formula, but now we have the Power Query, and let's just explore that either it's possible in Power Query or not. So in this blog post you can see that there are some certain sentences, and each sentence has a date. Somewhere in some sentences the date of birth is on the very right side or the left side, and in few sentences it's in the middle. In one of the sentence it's not available. So we need to just extract the date of birth from the text strings from these sentences. So how we can do that? And one more example I am quoting in this video from the Heavens Consulting, which I saw on the YouTube, and that was very again attractive and very good use of Excel Power Query add-in basically, and that Power Query is also available in Power BI as well. So let's get started. I just download this workbook from the Chandu website, and I wanted to try it on this data. So this data is in, first of all, in the table format. If you can see that, you will see a design tab enabled. This means that this is not the normal data. This is converted into the table format, and this data will be now pushed into the Power Query window. So I am using Excel 2019, so for that I need to go data tab, and I will click on from table or range. And if you are using earlier versions of Excel and you have the you want to utilize the Power Query, you have a separate tab or ribbon of that. Okay, so let me just zoom this window a bit. All right, so in my case I will go to the data tab and I will click on from table or range option. All right, and when I click on this button, Excel takes me to the Power Query window, and this Power Query window is exactly same in the Power BI. So if you are using Power BI, you can just call this window as well of the Power Query. So now here we need to fetch out all the date of births in a separate column. So what we will do is just we will right click on this title. Okay, you will find here the contextual menu, and in this contextual menu we will click on add column from examples. Okay, so we will click on add column from examples. So a new column has been added. First we will rename this, the title of this column, which is dates, and now we will write some manual dates and we will look at that how it behaves. So from the first sentence, my date of birth is 7/1/1981. I guess this is the birth of Chandu exactly. So 07/01/1981, and as soon as I press enter, some of the other text have been extracted, as you can see that extracted from the other sentences, but we don't need this text. We need just date of birth from each of the sentence presented on the left side. Okay, so I will again write one more date here in the second column, which is exactly the same in the second sentence as well, 07/01/1981. And as soon as I press enter, what you can see that from the other sentences the date of birth has been extracted automatically, just like if you have used flash fill in the Microsoft Excel, which reads the pattern of the adjacent data and gives you the output. So similarly it has doing something like that. And on the above you can see that there is a M language code is being now generated here. As you can see that M language code has been generated. Once you have finished to fetch out all these dates, press OK, and now you will have one column which exactly gives you the dates, right? And after doing that, all your steps has been recorded. And if you want to see the script, because you have just done it manually and all the dates have been fetched by the system, if you want to see the M language code, you will click on advanced editor, and from here you can see that if you are very good at producing the M language codes, you have to write these kind of syntaxes here to fetch out the dates from a text strings. Okay, so after finishing, click on close and load button, and it will takes you back to the Excel, and the Power Query will now create one sheet in this Excel workbook and gives you the output. So now, for example, in future, once you have defined this kind of thing, if more sentences comes in, let me just copy and paste. So the sentences have been increased. Now I don't have to get the Power Query steps again and again. What I need to do is I just need to go to data tab and click on refresh. So now my data has been populated and all the desired dates from the sentences have been extracted. So I hope you like this feature. One more example I'm just adding in this video is example number 2. From this data has been extracted from the Heavens Consulting, so that I can apply and tell you that how from these multiple sentences we can extract different dates. Now in this scenario we have sentences, and all sentence contains dates which are on different locations. Some are on the left side, some are on the right side, and some are in the middle. Okay, so this data will go again into the Power Query. How? First we need to convert this data into table format. If it's already done, then you need to go to data tab and click on from table or range, and the Excel will takes you to the Power Query interface. Now all our data is available in the Power Query window. What we need to do is right click on this column and then click on add column from examples. So first I will start from the bottom, which is one of the date is 8/4/10. Press enter. It fetches some of the dates. Again the second last date 4/5/02. So quickly I got all of my dates. System fetches out all of the dates automatically. I just write 2 dates manually, and rest of the work has been done by the Power Query, as you can see on my screen, right? But there is one date which is incorrect. This one which is highlighted 1235/6/17, and the sentence says that I have learned to count to 1 2 3 4 5 6 17. So when I just correct this particular date 5/6/17, so my other dates just got wrong, right? And I want to make these dates right again. So no need to worry, you just need to put 1 or 2 dates manually again, and the pattern will be saved by the Power Query. So 1/16/2014, and the third date is 2/3/2010, and that's it. So you just entered 5 dates manually, and the rest of the dates have been fetched by the system itself, right? And now at the top you can see that Power Query M language has been generated from this pattern. You press OK, and you get all the dates, different dates according to the different location in the text strings. And now you just need to close and load this data, and you just fetch the dates from the sentences. So if you have any other alternate solution better than this, which I told you in the video, is available, do share in the comment. And I hope you like this one of the feature, and you have learned something new today. Thank you so much.